I hope you found some great ways to practice some assertive behavior and, figuring out, where you need to make adjustments in that area if that's playing a part in your anxiety or depression. So for the skill this week, very simple. It's just yawning. And what research has shown a nice big yawn can do for you. So step aside, get out of a crowd, and just go give yourself some 3 big yawns. And so I'm just going out of the manual, but some of the research benefits from a yawn: it cools down the brain, it increases blood flow to the brain, it equalizes head pressure in your ears, increases your oxygen level, it stretches your facial muscles, and it activates oxytocin, which is a pleasure chemical in your brain. So give it a shot. I know for me, when I yawn, usually makes me feel better, and that's kind of the background why. So if you find yourself anxious, overwhelmed, whatever it may be, step aside and do your best to give yourself three good yawns to kind of reset all the chemicals in your body. See you next week.